Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, October 6, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges of the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for the moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat.
This month is Hispanic Heritage Month, and today we will be honoring filmmaker Robert Rodriguez. He is known for his one-man film crew approach to filmmaking, has been given credit for using Latino actors in making roles. Some of his films include Spy Kids, and The Adventures of Shark Boy and Lava Girl. Wow.
Here's our kindness ambassador, Kennedy, to announce today's Friendly Falcon.
Today's Friendly Falcon is Freda Jones in Miss Brown's class. Freda was nominated by Hyatt, who said Freda helped someone walk when they hurt their knee really badly. Congrats, Freda, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind. Today in history, in 1876, the American Library Association was founded. Wow.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 85 degrees and a low of 59.
Getting cold.
Today's word of the day is consciousness. Consciousness means the state of being awake and aware of one's surroundings. Used in a sentence. Her eyes dropped and she lost her consciousness.
Consciousness. In the headlines, Missouri cave with ancient Native American drawings was sold. A Missouri cave with ancient artwork from more than 1,000 years ago was sold at an auction on September 14th. A bidder agreed to pay $2.2 million to private owners for what's known as a picture cave.
$2 million? Today's fun fact is the Grand Canyon is the largest canyon in the world, located in Arizona. It's massive with an elevation of 2,600 feet and the length of 277 miles.
Wow.
How long is that? Wait, how long is that?
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Gianni, why did it get so hot in the baseball stadium after the game?
I don't know, Kayla.
Because all the fans left.
Hilarious.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Kayla.
And I'm Gianni.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump, 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 bump.